Can you solve this? Don't worry, let's solve it together. So to solve this now, look, we have to look at this. We have 36 here, and then we have 216 here. What do they have in common? Is there a way we can express them in powers of a number? Now, 36 can be written as 6 square, that is 6 times 6 will give 36. Then 2162 can be written as 6 power 3. So let's start from there. Here now we'll be having 6 power 2, then bracket negative 3x plus 3, and this will be equal to 1 over 216. Let's first simplify that. It's the same thing as 216 power negative 1, then power x plus 1. Now let's write 216 in terms of 6. So this will now be 6 power 3. Power 3 times negative 1, that will be power negative 3, then all power x plus 1. So from this side now, 6 squared, when we multiply these two with all this everything we have outside here, this will become 6 power negative 6x then plus 6, and this will become 6 power negative 3x then negative 3. Now that we have the same base, we can equate the powers. So to equate the powers now, we will be left with negative 6x plus 6 to be equal to negative 3x then negative 3. So let's bring negative 6 to this side so that it becomes positive. So that way we'll be having 6x minus 3x to be equal to, that means we'll bring negative 3 here to become positive. So that will give 6 plus 3. 6x minus 3x will give 3x, and this will be 9. Then we can divide both sides by 3 so that x will be equal to 3.